Alright, so today we're going to be doing a Rubicon Express oil pan skid plate on my 2015 Jeep Wrangler. See how this goes. So you're going to need a 15, a 13, and a short 15. Little extension, ratchet. Don't have to have electric, but it does make it a lot nicer. Alright, we're going to slide underneath the Jeep here. Don't mind my oil leak. I had a oil filter housing that was leaking. So you're going to take out that 13 mil and that 13 mil. Actually, yeah, both of those are 13 mil. And then this 15 mil over here. And also, you're going to get those three middle. Let's see if I can get it better. 13 mils up there on the oil pan. Alright, little update. Got the 15 mil bolt out, the two 13 mil nuts, and the exhaust hanger. Mine slid off real easy, which probably oil lubricated from the oil leak a little bit. So I've got to get the three 13 mil nuts off, or bolts, off of the oil pan now. Alright, so I can't be the only one that's ever forgotten the stud. But once you take the exhaust hanger off, there's a stud that goes right there, and I forgot to take it out. Alright, so let me get up in here and show this. That 13 mil, that 13 mil, and can't really get a good angle on it. That 13 mil has to come out. Alright, so a little update here. I ended up having to bend this tab up and Dremel out this area because it was touching the oil pan. I didn't want it sitting there rubbing. Alright, we're getting closer. Got it up in here in the front. All front three bolts are in. The rear two are in. Now I just got to put the exhaust hanger back on. Alright. It is on, buttoned up, all those tightened. Not much to look at, it's a skid plate. Fortunately, it didn't fit very well. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. So, there we are.